doing? I'm hoping that you're doing fine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Miss Kenya, and you should definitely consider subscribing. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you guys. I have decided to do this intro because of two things. One, because I lost the intro that I did for this video, and two, because I want to really thank you and appreciate you for the support and for the love that you've shown me in 2021. You guys, I don't take it for granted, and I pray that you will also be shown support in things that concern you. And I am wishing you a very prosperous 2022. I know it's going to be great. We are going to create a lot of content. We are going to do a lot of amazing things, and yeah, it's going to be amazing. I have done this intro because I'm not sure I'm going to post again this year, but we will see, because I still have some videos that I'm intending to do this week and maybe post them this week. But in case I don't post again, in case you don't see me again here in this year, I'm wishing you a very prosperous 2022, and let's get into today's video. Guys, as I had told you, Aria was coming to Anne's home. Anne is the CEO of Leeds Furniture, and she's here. We will talk to her in a minute so that she can tell us how her business is going, her challenges, her success stories, and such things like that. And also, I'm seeing a few changes in her house, like new furniture, beautiful furniture. So she will also be telling us about that. I will actually give you a house tour of her house, but before then, let's talk to Anne. Hey guys, as I had told you earlier, I am in Anne's house. I'm with her here, but even before, I allow her to reintroduce herself because I know you guys know her. So this won't be an introduction, it's more of reintroduction, because we've done a house tour of her house before. And if you've not watched that video, I'm going to link it on the description box below. Anne is the owner of Leeds Furniture. I know you have seen me tag the page on Instagram, and you've heard me mention it for a couple of times. She did my dining table that I am yet to show you guys. I will show you in due time. And Anne,
yes,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Karibu sana to my house again.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we've been good. Yes,
I'm glad to hear that. How has business been?
Business has been perfect. We have, of course, we have the challenges, and we have the good inside. Yes, it has been good.
I would love to hear the success stories from the time we did the video up to now.
Yeah, there's so many success stories we managed to deliver across the country. Actually, that's one thing that I can attest to. We've done deliveries to Mombasa, we've done to Isiolo, we've done to Kisii, we've done to Kisumu, and Nairobi has been the greatest of all, the greatest supporters. My customers come from Nairobi, yes.
Wow, I'm glad to hear that. And also, I know that a business that has success stories must also have some failures, some challenges. Okay, I don't want to call them failures.
Yes.
Let me call them challenges. Maybe you can highlight like two before you show us your house, because I'm seeing that you have made some few changes. I love your furniture. I love your furniture. I know they can see the background of your dining seat. I love that. But even before you show us, because I would love you to take us through your house, the changes that you've made, the furniture that you've bought. Maybe tell us the prices. But before we get that, I would like you to highlight maybe two challenges.
The challenges that I've experienced mostly is that the client will send you the color of the photo of the item they want. It needs to be super clear. Don't send a faded color. I won't get the exact color on your item. And then the second challenge is when I did the free delivery, the time I gave a free delivery, I faced a lot of challenges. I do not own a transport company, so it was hard for me to control those drivers on where to deliver to. Yes, those are the two challenges.
I remember you were doing free deliveries when we did that video.
Yes. Also,
free deliveries is a problem on your side.
A huge problem on my side. So rather than doing the free delivery, I think we need to give our clients a different option.
Okay.
Yes, we'll
But
tell them later.
even before we do that, because I'm already excited, I am excited for them. But before we do that, I have seen that you've changed almost almost all your furniture.
Yes.
I can't see anything that I left here.
Yes.
So I would kindly request you to take us through your house, what you've been able to do, your furniture,
Yes.
the prices.
Yes.
Because personally, I am in love with your couch.
Thank you so much.
I am hoping that the camera will show the couch as it
The
is.
details.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes,
So where do we start?
We can start from the sitting room.
Okay.
Then we'll head to the bedroom and the laundry area.
Okay.
Yes.
That is perfect.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Okay, this is the first item I changed in my house. If you remember well, the last couch that I had, it was green in color and it was not this huge. So I wanted a bigger seat that can accommodate 9 people. Actually, these are 9-seater. It has a fitted back. I didn't want something that has loose pillows because when my nieces come over, they throw them down and the house looks messy. Also, the width of this seat is more wider than the normal size because these are customed. The fabric, there are different types of fabrics. We have the China ones and we have these German ones. I opted for this German because I wanted something that is more long lasting, that I can use 10 to 15 years to come. The density of this cushion is more than the previous one I had. The depth is 88 inches and then it's HD, high density. The fabric, I chose gray because of the thin color. And the length is more customized. It's longer than the previous one that I had. The throw pillows, this seat comes with 5 of them. Inside it, I have fiber. It's made of pure fiber that comes in it. It's clean. It's not dirty like the other ones that I see people getting. So for you to get a perfect seat, the pricing matters a lot. Inside here, like this seat, inside here it's spring. It doesn't have frames. It's well springed. It has a mattress inside. Then it's covered with this velvet fabric with the fabric of the seat so as to give it this finished well look. So you can remove these cushions. They are washable. You wash and then you return because I've made this thing very easy for you so that you don't throw the fiber away in the house. The fiber doesn't get lost in the house. You just return this open side goes in as the first side. You return it this way. That's it about the couch. Now let's move to the dining area and I show you the dining seat that I managed to make myself. A 4-seater dining table. I wanted it to come much more natural on the top side, and the lower side I wanted it to look white so as to match with the theme of the house. This seat I wanted them to be chested like my bed. It's chested, it's gray in color, well buttoned, and then it has corkers. Corkers come in different colors. There's gold, there's silver, there's rustic gold. And then I wanted mine to be this silver. I wanted a bigger seat that could accommodate even bigger people when they come over in my house. For my furniture, especially this dining table, I maintain it with this pledge. I usually spray on top. Others have their own different styles. Then you just wipe. When you wipe like this, you maintain the shiny gloss on it. And this set, the 4 dining set, I sell them at 45,000. Yeah. Now we come to this side. We have a shoe rack here that I've changed from what the small one I had. This section here is for handbags. You can see you can put your handbags, can arrange well. I don't have a number of handbags. And then this side you can do your shoes. Per row here, it can accommodate 4 pairs. But as well, if you want it to be plain shoe rack, it can accommodate 6 pairs. It's longer, then it's wide. I wanted it to just fit this space. Up here, you can do your suitcases. You can place them here for proper organization. Then it comes in different colors, the color you want. It can come in black, white, blue, gray. And also I got this bathroom organizer. I wanted somewhere I could display my towels, somewhere I could organize my items well when I'm doing the cleaning, and also for better presentation. I've not done enough shopping, but maybe next time when we do another video, we'll do better presentation. You can do even a flower pot up here to make it look more beautiful. Here, for me, I've kept my dustbin and the thing for holding the pads. I do my shopping here, my towels here. This is the side of the tissues.
And just for clarity, how much is the shoe rack going for?
This one, like an exact one, like this one is 22,000.
Mm-hmm.
This bathroom organizer, exact like this one, is going for 16,000.
16,000. Yes. An exact one like this one.
Yes.
But you can customize according to their needs.
Yes, we also have a different one at the shop that I'm going to show you.
Okay.
Yes. Coming into the bedroom, I changed my bed, the previous bed I had, to this. This is the most selling bed that I have at the workshop at the moment. These are 5x6, retailing at 40,000. I do genuine mattress inside here. I don't fill it with clothes the way others do, clothes or rugs inside here. These are genuine mattress inside. It goes for 40,000, 5x6. And then it may come with this poof on request, but if you want this poof, it's more expensive than getting the bed alone. I didn't like my bedroom to have bedside cabinets, since I want to do a dressing table this side, and I wanted it to be at least 3 feet. That's why I don't have avoided bedside cabinets at the moment.
After finishing shooting at Anne's place, we went to her warehouse or showroom, whatever you might want to call it, which is actually not very far from where she lives. Contacts will be on the description box so that you can get Kriela location details. And the photos you see on the screen are what you sent to her, the inspirations. She prints them and hands them to her fundis so that your furniture can be made as an exact replica of what you want. She has a variety of fabrics to choose from, as you can see, and she can source any other for you on request. And good news, you guys, for my followers, if you buy any furniture from her using my name, Miss Kinyua, you get a 20% off discount. I don't think you had that right. If you buy any furniture from her using my name, Miss Kinyua, you get a 20% off discount, and the items running on the screen are what her fundis were working on or what they had finished working on, and I love them. The bed, the organizer, the TV stand, I totally loved their work. So contact will be on the description box. You can order anything that you want from her, and remember to like this video, comment on the comment section below, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.